Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, the exact system you'll query and the credentials you'll use. Once that's clear, gather reference numbers like registration ID or invoice that narrow the search. Next, open the browser or API client you'll use and prepare a spreadsheet to record matches. You do this now so the next steps are efficient. Having everything visible prevents backtracking. Make sure to note any access restrictions or multi-factor prompts before proceeding. You proceed by executing targeted lookups. Enter registration ID first, then try name and postcode if that fails, using partial matches where supported. If an API is available, construct a parameterized request, for example ID equals 12,345 or name equals Smith, to retrieve structured results faster. Once you get candidates, export or copy them into your spreadsheet and run a secondary filter or database query to confirm the center code. You finalize by validating the center code against address, contact number, and opening hours so you're sure it's the correct location. Then record the code, data source, timestamp, and who verified it, and save a backup copy in your system. If results conflict or you can't find a match, retry using alternate identifiers like nearby postcode or previous registration numbers, and escalate to support or the center directly. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.